Okay. So, shave muna ako ng kilay bago mag-start. Hi guys, good morning. We are on Showtime today and I'm gonna do my makeup today. Magpapahair tayo. Ayan, malinis. How is everyone? How was your weekend, guys? Walang pasok kahapon. Alright, we are gonna do my makeup, but we have time. I'm not in a hurry today. Thank you so much po. Yes, puto may tissue na today. Hindi wala eh.
Anong buhok natin?
Actually, parang gusto ko lang mag-ponytail. Na mataas. Or ikaw, what do you think? Okay lang, ponytail na lang.
Ikaw, para maiba-iba naman tayo.
Yun nga eh, lagi ako nakalugay. Parang ganun pa lang. Like, mataas na ponytails. Tanggalin na natin yung bangs today. No? Talagang winawala ko na yung bangs.
Wala. Blower ko muna, ha?
Sige, basta konti yung loob. Okay, let's start our makeup.
Saan yung
brush? Nandito po sa yellow bag. Kung pwede palukot na lang. Nandyan din yung pangkulot kung kailangan nyo. So, we're gonna put my cheek tint first bago tayo mag-umpisa. One dot. Another dot. I'm seeing, are you looking to be a regular host of Showtime? No, I don't, when I do a job, I don't parang have an intention or an ulterior motive. So, I've been doing Showtime since 2017. So, I'm just happy to be here. And, I don't know. It's always up to them, guys. Alright, so yeah, to the person asking, yes, this is my own brand. It's gonna be available on September 9 on Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. So watch out for that. It also has a lip balm na naiwan ko sa bahay. Okay, next step. Ate Tess, wala ka today. Nandyan si Ate Tess sa live nanonood. Okay lang, basta Ate Tess yung flight natin na nasa akin yung tickets natin. Okay, so BB cream. Jeans po. Yung high-waist jeans, I think that's Zara, to the one asking. Okay, so BB cream. So yung nagtatanong kanina about if I'm gonna do a teleserye or a movie with Piolo. We were supposed to do a movie together, yun yung plano namin. But they're also offering now a teleserye, so I think we're gonna do both. But before that, I'm doing a teleserye with a completely different cast that I'm so excited to work with because I've never worked with them before. It's gonna be a totally different story. And we're gonna start this September. So, pag hindi nyo na ako nakita sa Showtime, alam nyo na nagtitaping na ako. Okay. Ito, dami yung BB cream. Pasok!
Hello po.
Hi, El! Yeah, sorry. Walang traffic. For the first time, ngayon ko lang nasabi yun.
Nag-pray lang ako sa chapel.
Okay, no problem.
10:23, wala pa si Mo.
No rush. Sorry, napaaga ako. 10:20, nandito na ako sa Sorry.
Sorry, nag-pray lang ako.
Carry lang.
Ay, nakalive ka. Sorry po.
No, sige lang. Sumika ka lang, El. Guys, si El nga pala. Isa sa mga road managers namin sa Viva. Ayan, so sa tayo ng BB cream. I think today, I'm gonna... Yes, nasa Showtime po tayo today. Yes, this is gonna be available Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. So, abangan nyo. So, today, mag-tint muna tayo. This is from Face Shop. Napaka-chaotic ng pag-makeup ko. Next up, loose powder. This is from Givenchy. Ito yung pinakagamit na gamit kong powder. Kasi ayoko na ng makapal na powder. So, ito para lang siyang baby powder. Ay, John Pelayo. Wala kami dun. Sorry. Okay. Ang powder for every part of the face. Make sure covered lahat. So, anong ganap nyo yesterday nang walang pasok, guys? Hi, Alondra. I miss your face. Yes, nakatulog ako. Ina, gawin mo na yung schoolwork mo. Hindi ito yung gusto kong eyeshadow. happy na ako. Okay guys, tapos na yung blower. So tapos na rin ako makeup. Sige, magkilay tayo. Pero parang, hindi, okay lang. Susuklain ko lang siya today kasi ayoko pwede natin siya i-light. Nahanap ko yung pang-light. Ayan, lipstick natin today. Everyone. So, yung mga comment na pag sinoutout mo ako, maliligo na ako. Paano pag di ko kayo sinoutout? Hindi kayo maliligo today. Wala kayo buksan. Okay, we're gonna use white for this part. May tawag dito eh. Very sikat siya na parang Korean makeup style. Nilalagyan ng eyeshadow yung eye bags. I think this is the lipstick I wanna use today. Pero hindi pa ako sure. Bago yan, mag-lip liner muna tayo. So as you can see, I didn't use any other blush, just my cheek tint. Again, this is available September 9, Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shop. So, I don't need to put blush because later, by the time I go live, sobrang mas pink pa siya lalo. So, there you go. And then we're gonna try. This is a lipstick by, shucks, I forgot the name. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Twins sila na may makeup line. It's endorsed by Jenny Kim.
May hati ba?
Yes, gitna. Yeah. Magli-lip balm na lang tayo after. Okay, so yung gusto kong gawin kanina, kilay. Hindi ko mahanap yung pang-light ko ng kilay. Wali. Pwede po kaya pag naka-ponytail na, yung dulo niya, yung parang, alam niyo yung Barbie ponytail, yung nakaganon,
yung
nakatikwas. Thank you. Sorry, ang dami ko request today. Shoutout po para makakain na ako. Simeon Hayes, thank you so much. That's the brand, Simeon Hayes. Sa mga nanghihingi ng shoutout para kumain, utang na loob, kumain na kayo. Bakit parang kasalanan ko pag di kayo nakakain? Ayan. Okay. So, this is our look and hair color for today. Someone commented kanina na nasa salon siya and yung picture ko yung ginamit nila as tag. Hi guys!
Bisita ka.
It's okay, it's okay. Sino tinataguan nyo?
Nagulat sila.
Whoop, whoop, maipit. Pakisara yung pinto! Okay lang. Ginagawa nilang playground eh.
Hindi kasi minsan, dito rin ang dressing room nila. Kaya minsan...
Nung huli nasa dressing room 4 sila eh. Nakita ko nga. Kala siguro na naman ang tao. So, lip gloss. Yeah. That's the look for today. Hilay pa ba? Sige na nga, konti. Hilay from Benefit. Handy, kamusta ka na? Hey Donnie, how are you? I miss your face. Yan. So we're just gonna do my eyebrows quickly. Donnie, I was with Kyle yesterday, if you're still here. And then other side. May napanood akong tutorial kahapon na Korean kung paano mag-ponytail yung mga artista sa Korea. Kung paano sila pinaponytail. Parang itatali muna ng isang, yung parang ganyan, yung ginawa mo, nagtira ka ng iba. Tinali nila, tapos dun sa mismong ponytail, nagpasok pa sila ng isang ponytail para kumapal, para umangat. Tapos ito huli. Oh, grabe. Naisipan nila yun. I don't think sasagutin ka na magiging girlfriend mo pag shout-out kita. Pero kung yun ang totoong way para masagot ka, go for it. Hello, shout out sa'yo. Bakit hindi ka nagpapalit ng profile picture? I like my picture kasi first of all, ginawa siya ng isang follower ko dito sa Instagram. Hindi ako yung nag-design yan. Tapos, kung napapansin niyo, may kasamang pusa yung photo na black. And I had a black cat kasabay ni Sputnik. So, Sputnik was my white cat. This one. Hindi niyo siya makita. Yan. And I had Sputnik for 13 years. Now, si Shadow, yung black cat, maiksi lang yung life niya sadly. 2 years lang siya sa akin. But, I also loved Shadow so much. And, umuwi lang ako one day. Parang nagka-heart attack siya. But, siya yung sumasalubong sa akin pag umuwi ako before sa door. And wala kami masyadong pictures ni Shadow. So, nung nakita ko tong picture na to, parang na-realize ko, I feel like this is my only photo na kahit na drawing siya, we're in the same frame. So, yun. Hindi ko siya mabura-bura kasi parang nalulungkot akong burahin. Nasagot ba yung tanong? Shout out from Palawan. Hi! Saan kayo sa Palawan? Nakatulog po ako today ng 9 hours. Thank you sa mga nagtatanong. Actually, hindi. 8 hours. Kasi 1 ako natulog. Tapos nagising ako ng 9. Let's ligo. Puntang showtime.
Okay lang na mag-spray na tayo.
Oo, sige. Kasi may mga maiksi akong buhok sa likod eh. Kung gusto mo rin siya ipin, go lang. Pinipin niya ni Ate Tess. Ayan. Book recos. What have I watched? I read recently. Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko recently na nabasa ko is Please Look After Mom. It's a Korean author. Korean book. Miss na namin si Ate Tess. Miss din namin si Ate Tess. Pero may trabaho kasi siya today. Tumatanggap pa ng racket si Ate Tess bago kami mag-teleserye. So, go Ate Tess. So, yeah. Medyo napaaga ako. So, 12 sakto ang pasok ng showtime. So, hanggang kailan kasi Pinas? I will be here until January. Yes, we are prepping for showtime. Yeah, saan ka galing? Bahay?
Oo.
Tapos mag-Viva ka mamaya.
Ay,
So, may nahatak.
Yes. Viva naman.
Viva ka mamaya. Ayun, perfect. Natanggal na po.
Dadayain ko na lang ng ibang ipit. Hindi ko nang ganyan para hindi ka masaktan.
Okay lang naman. May nahatak lang. Pero okay lang kung gusto mo siyang gamitin. Yan din ginagamit ni Ate Tess sa akin eh.
Ito na.
Ano tawag dyan? Goma. Again, uulitin ko po. Hindi ko po alam kung sino mga nandito. At wala, kasi nasa dressing room lang din kami. So, hindi naman po kami pinapadala ng call sheet ng lahat ng papasok today. So, yeah. I do have hazel eyes, but today I'm actually wearing contact lenses because I can't read the prompter. So I'm gonna try if this works, but sobrang dry ng eyes ko, so feeling ko hanggang today lang to, guys. Okay. Christian, how are you? See you tomorrow. Perfume recommendations. I'm using the Diptyque right now. Creed na puti. It's also one of my favorites, all-time favorites. Dream destination. Hindi ko pa napupunta. I haven't been to Greece and I want to swim in Greece. So, sasali dapat ako ng Deep Week sa Greece etong September. Pero, pinauwi ako to work. Yun.
Okay lang, walang
Yeah.
masakit.
Wala po.
Inisip ko lang ha.
Go lang po. Malakas daw ulan sa Zambales right now. Ingat po kayo. Wala nang ulan dito sa Manila kanina. Ikaw, ulan ka? Galing Cavite? Meron?
Meron pa din.
Pero light lang.
Nasa north na to talaga yun.
Nasa north na. Wala rin kayong pasok kahapon? Hindi ba?
Pag Monday, wala talaga.
Wala talaga pag nandito to. I forgot.
Sorry.
It's okay. Yan, hingi din sana akong ponytail mamaya. Kasi may lakad ako mamaya. Yan na yun. ganda, nakaganon siya. Kung gusto niyo gamitin yung pangkulot para mamaya sa dulo-dulo, kulang po. Angge Teodoro, nasagot ko na yung question mo. Mas okay talaga hinihiwala yung tuktok mo pag nagpo-ponytail. Siyempre, pag kami kasi, pag sa bahay, like, hindi mo na siya may isip, diba? Magpo-ponytail ka na lang diretso.
Mas malinis tignan.
Yun nga eh. Tsaka nakakontrol mo yung itsura ng taas. Hi, Ella. How many shades does your blush brand have? One shade, because it's color adaptive, so it will adapt to your pH level. The after effect will be pink, so you guys will see it later live on Showtime, because this is gonna get more and more pink as the day goes. So yeah, it adapts to any skin tone. And fave K-drama right now. Kakatapos ko lang ng Marry My Husband. Gigil na gigil ako dun sa kontrabida dun. And wala pa ako napapanood na bago. So let me know. If you guys have recos, I am so down. Wala pa ako napapanood na bagong maganda recently. So let me know. Yan. Nakita ko na.
Medyo i-flat ko pa.
I-flat. Actually, hindi. Parang gusto ko naman siya ng ganyan. Siguro kinis na lang.
Okay.
Bella is back. Yes, I'm back. Nalalightan ako sa overall look ng lips ko. So, I'm gonna add cheek tint inside. Oh, ate, give me a name for my new kitten. Oh, that is so cute. Sige, pag-isip. Ano yung tsura ng kitten mo? Will your cheek and lip tint be available for international shipping? Right now, no. But we are accepting resellers already. So actually, lilipad ako to Bacolod on Friday because we're bringing stocks. There's gonna be 3 malls where you can grab our cheek and lip tint in Bacolod because nag-pre-order sila. So to everybody who wants to be resellers, let us know. Contact us in the Bella by Bella Instagram page. And to influencers who want to add it to their own yellow baskets, we offer affiliate links. Okay, so guys, what do you think about the lipstick? Should I change it? Parang hindi ko pa siya feel masyado. Should I go darker? Oh, you got a Persian cat. That is so cute. I had a Persian cat too. Ano pong brand ng blush? It's my blush. It's Bella by Bella. Available very, very soon. Darker. Yeah, I agree. I think I should go darker. Ito na. Dark ko na siya. Lovely Runner. Ang dami nag-recommend ng Lovely Runner. Is it light? Gusto ko light lang muna ngayon kasi bigat nung dalawang huli kong pinanood. Marry My Husband tsaka Queen of Tears. So, May mga lipstick na gustong gamitin today. Yeah, we're gonna use this. This is from Gucci. Love Next Door. Talaga maganda. Ano mas maganda? Lovely Runner or Love Next Door? Let me know. Kailangan po natin pagbotohan ito. Yan, better. I love it. I love it. So this and this is coming with me for retouch. Hello! And powder. Itong powder na to, rinegalo sa akin ng makeup artist kasi ay gusto ko siya. Rinegalo ni Denise Gore sa akin. Nabibili daw to sa kung saan-saan lang na kanto in Bangkok. Pero sobrang ganda ng effect. I'll show you guys. Ano siyang blurring powder. Oh, Loxcent Official. Oops!
Ay.
Masakit. Pero okay lang. Sige lang.
Kaya.
Hindi, hatakin natin.
Atakin ko. Sorry.
Ayan. Loxcent Official recommended a name for the kitten. She said Lilo. Lilo or Lilo? Lilo. Kasi yun yung scent ng Diptyque na ginagamit ko. Okay, I think nakukulangan ako sa contour. So we're gonna add contour. The name of the powder is Perfect Pore Pink Packed. Pero sa ano siya nabibili? Sa Bangkok daw niya nabili. So tinitipid ko to guys kasi hindi pa naman ako magba-Bangkok soon. Ngayon, mag-contour tayo. Actually, okay lang sa akin kahit huwag natin balutan ng buhok.
Okay na.
Better kung wala. Ayan. Mas gusto ko ganyan lang siya. Mas simple lang. That is my look for today. Alright, everybody. Thank you. I do have Angge Teodoro, but she's not here today. She has work. Anong lip tint? This is from Face Shop. Kakabili ko lang kahapon. Add some darker color on your eyeshadow. I kind of want to stay light today because I'm just wearing this and shorts. Like, I don't want my face to be super duper made up. But yeah, we'll see. Pag nag-first gap, kasi maliwanag yung ilaw sa showtime. Kakapain ko later kung kailangan pa. Alright. See you guys later on showtime. Kyle, I miss your face. What time did you go home? Labo ng segue ng tanong ko. As a concerned citizen of the Philippines. Talaga maganda po yung Welcome to Sandalry. Mag-iintay ako ng kung ano yung mas maganda, kung Lovely Runner or Love Next Door. Okay, again, my blush is gonna be available on TikTok Shop, on Lazada and Shopee starting September 9. So yeah, we have achieved the clean girl look today. Magpo-ponytail lang tayo. Magbo-Barbie ponytail lang tayo. Tapos shorts, and that's it. Alright, see you guys. I love you all. Bye, Bianca. Bye, everybody. Bye.